Vande Mataram. We want to boycott China. I am making this message using a Chinese smartphone which is completely made and assembled in China. You are hearing this voice through a Chinese headphone which is completely made, manufactured, assembled in China and imported to India. I would definitely like to make this same message with a completely Indian manufactured phone and a completely Indian manufactured headphone and send it to you. Please tell me where I can get one. And if you can't, let me tell you some things. The government of China, I will not say that they are completely honest, there is absolutely no corruption, and their politicians are really nice people. I don't think so. They are just as corrupt, just as dishonest as the politicians in India. But they have a foresight. They know that if you want your cow to give milk, you have to feed it grass. And our politicians, our government, instead of giving grass to the cow, they give the cow mud. They make it eat sand. And when it can't give milk, they squeeze out blood from the udder. Why is the Chinese state much more prosperous than India? Just think of a couple of years ago, maybe 10 years ago, 15 years ago. We knew that the Chinese were starving. They had nothing. And now suddenly they are a superpower. Do you think this happened overnight? Are you running a business? Are you in contact with the government? Ask yourself what the government gives you. We have heard about the Mudra loans. Are they easy to get? We have heard about the latest scam, that is the loan of 1 crore within 1 hour, 60-minute loan. Do you know what happened? These are all scams. Scams not by private parties, but by our own government, our own politicians against us, the people of India. And that is why we cannot manufacture these headphones or computers or cell phones, and the Chinese are able to do it. Their government supports them. If I could, I know I cannot because as an Indian I have to vote. If I could, the one thing that I would boycott is the Indian politician. When China has attacked us, instead of getting an answer to it, either physically or diplomatically, now the propaganda is boycott China. They have put the onus of action on us, the Indian citizen. They want the Indian citizen to react by giving up the cell phones, by giving up the computers and the headphones. Can the government of India help the startups by doing what the government of China is doing for the people of China? Can they? Can they arrange for helping the factories, decreasing the number of laws, decreasing the corruption when we want to start a company or a business or a manufacture? Can the government of India stop it? On that day, we will not need to buy a single thing from China because we will be making all these things ourselves. Think about it. When they come to you next time asking for your vote, ask them, why is it so difficult for me to start an electronic manufacturing unit in India? Why can't I get the raw materials like they are getting in China? Why isn't it easier for me like they are doing it in China? And why do I have to pay so much amount of money as corruption? And finally, why is it that I know that the government of India exists only when it is time to pay up my taxes? Think about it. Vande Mataram.